can add a new app using the CLI is by selecting the Add New App from CLI option. So you can choose your account here where you want it to go to, and the privacy type, private, and then all you're going to need to do is run this command. So it's pretty straightforward. So what this will do is it will spin up everything it needs to, basically run the Bitrise CLI. It might take a few minutes to install all the required dependencies, but once that completes, it will essentially walk you through the same Add New App flow. So here you can see we have run a scanner to generate a new Bitrise YML or use a current one, right? So let's just run it to use the generate a new one. On this branch, yes. Okay, so detected an iOS app. Let's select that. We're going to go with development. Do you want to keep this stack? Yes. Would you like to register a webhook? That's not doing just yet. Do you want to export code signing files? No. And then it registers a new project. Okay, so you can see here that it created the project. Copy that URL and bring it up. Yeah, so we have a new project added. Even though it wasn't necessarily able to connect to the repository, it was able to create the application based on the local file system. Well, thanks very much and catch you next time.